Hi, we'll talk today about common factors. Let's start today's lesson with a case. So if we have x to the power 2 minus 4, we all know that this is nothing but x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so this called factoring. And this is called expanding. Let's see an example. So example 1 says that we want to factor this expression here. So let's see. The first thing, we have to find common factor. So here we have 3x to the power 2, and that would equal to 3 multiplied by x to the power 2. Let me just make the multiplication dot x to the power 2. So here we have 6x, this 6x, and we can write it as a 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x. So now to find the common factor, we have to choose 3 and x. Why I have to choose the 3 and x? Because we have to choose something that appears in both the first expression and the second with the least power. So as you can notice here, we didn't choose 2 because there is no 2 here. Okay, so let's see what we will get now. So the common factor is, a 3x. So we'll take 3x as a common factor. So the remaining from this is x minus 2. I'm just dividing. Let's see part B. So in part B here we have this long expression and we want to factor it. So we have to find the common factor. So we will have here 8 x to the power 4 y to the power 2. If we factor it, we will get 2 to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power 4 multiplied by y to the power 2. Let's see the next term. So here we will have 6x to the power 3 y to the power 3. So we can just write it as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x to the power 3 multiplied by y to the power 3. Okay, let's see the next one. So here we have 2x y to the power 4. So here we'll have 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y to the power 4. Okay, so let's see now. So as you can notice, we have here 2, 2, 2, so we will take 2. So here the common factor is, here's 2. Let's see the next number. Here we have x to the power 4, here we have x to the power 3, here we have x, so we'll take x. So here we'll have x. Just notice here that there's no 3 here and here, so we'll not choose it. Let's see the next variable. So here we have y to the power 2, y to the power 3, y to the power 4. So we'll use this, which is y to the power 2. So here we'll have y to the power 2. So the common factor is 2xy to the power 2. So the common factor is 2xy to the power 2. So we'll just get it out. So we'll have 2xy to the power 2. Now we will just divide this term with this term. So we will have here 4x to the power 3 and the y will be just 1, so it will be gone, plus 6 over 2 is a 3, x to the power 3 over x is x to the power 2, y to the power 3 over y to the power 2, it's nothing but y. The minus will just be here. So now here we have a 2 over 2, it's 1. X over x it's 1. Y to the power 4 over y to the power 2 is y to the power 2. We're just subtracting the powers. Let's see example number 2. So we want to factor this expression here. So as you can notice, here we have x minus 3 and here we have x minus 3. So we can take it as a common factor. So here we have x minus 3 and the remaining here will be this term. So it will be 2x plus 4. Here we have a minus sign, so we'll just put a minus sign, and the remaining part here will be just 5. So let's see what we will get now. So here we have x minus 3, and here we have 2x plus 4 minus 5. So here we have x minus 3, here we have 4 minus 5, it's minus 1, so we have 2x minus 1. And this is the final solution.